Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. If you're doing the phrase of the week, I've got a new one for you today, but I also wanted to say I hope you're not just adding a phrase and then forgetting it and adding a new one the following week. What we need to be trying to do is building up our kete of phrases, okay? So don't start a new one if you haven't already cemented the other one from the previous week. Just a little bit of a warning there. But if you are ready for another one, here's a lovely one from our book, Kōrero mai. So it's actually this phrase, Kōrero mai. So if you're saying to somebody, titiro mai, that means look at me, look my way. Whakarongo mai, listen to me, listen to what I'm saying. And this is kōrero mai, and that means speak to me or tell me. And so sometimes we need to use that with children or husbands to get them to say what they're feeling, or with children you might need them to explain something that they're upset about. So kōrero mai is a really lovely thing to say. And if you're teaching in a classroom where children are talking to each other, instead of saying to you know, the teacher might say, oh, what's all the talking about, tell me, you could just say kōrero mai, and that would stop that conversation. So kōrero mai, speak to me. Hopefully you can add that phrase to your kete. Ka kite.